guys, I just quickly wanted to film an intro to this video. Sorry I'm not wearing any makeup or anything. I just quickly wanted to insert this clip explaining that this is technically my old bedroom in my parents' house, but I turned it into my studio space for my shop. So everything in this room is pretty much just a space for me to create and to work and process orders and design. And this is the room where I do all of my Etsy work. I do also keep all of my old clothes and all of my own belongings in this room. So it's like half of the room is like all of my books and all my clothes and my makeup. And then this half of the room is everything that I use to run my Etsy shop. First off, I want to point out that yes, I still have the wedding balloons from my husband and I's wedding, which was over 6 months ago, but I'm sentimental and I'm still celebrating, so they're still hung up. Just wanted to get the elephant out of the room. But I'll start with this section of this wall. So I have a lot of wall hangings that you can't really see because the balloons are hiding them, but I have a gallery wall behind those balloons and it's pretty cute. But down here I have a little nightstand. In the nightstand is just kind of like old documents and old cards and like just sentimental things, really, some old journals and stuff like that. On top I have this record player that my husband got for me our first Christmas together. Then I have this pretty little fake flower that my sister made for me out of tissue paper. And then in this basket is all of our magic bands and a lot of like Disney paraphernalia, so I'll get a close-up on that. So in this basket that I got from Target, I just keep all of our magic bands. We have a ton because we're annual pass holders, so every time you renew, they send you more magic bands, and also every time you stay at a resort, they send you magic bands as well. And we stay at resorts like a couple times a year, so we have a ton of magic bands. And I also have like Disney keychains and buttons and other things, other Disney accessories in here as well. And then moving on to this area, this desk my dad actually built. He built it a while ago. It used to be in our old bedroom, but I moved it into here to put my printer on top of. So this is my printer. It's the Canon Pixma something. I've had it for a while. I've pretty much only had this printer since the opening of my shop, so it's done me good. It's a pretty good printer. It was only like $120, and it prints really great quality. I always get comments on how bright and vibrant my colors are, and I just have a plain old pretty cheapo printer, run-of-the-mill type of model. So yes, and I also love that the ink cartridges are very easy to buy, they're very affordable, and they're very easy to replace as well. So that's something I really love about this printer. So yeah, I'm going to get close up into everything else. This is just kind of an overview of the desk area. On top of my printer, I keep a lot of my newest releases, just for personal use and also to sell as well. So I just have some prints and some stickers, my newest sticker book that is available in my shop now, and one of my buttons is up here too. So just some like newer releases, something that if I need to take photos of anything, I put them up here so I know what to take photos of and whatnot. Back here I have a felt little basket from IKEA, and inside of this I have some essential oils, some stress relief stuff, some massage oils, and some coasters. So that's just kind of like a little catch-all basket for some personal items. Back here in this basket I have my cellophane bags in multiple sizes, my craft bags, and my pink bubble mailers, so all of my shipping supplies, as well as some envelopes, and I have some masking tape behind these dead roses that I got from Valentine's Day. And then down here I have my bunny calendar from Anthropology that my husband got me for Christmas. I have a fake succulent plant left over from our wedding day, and then this pretty floral clipboard, and usually my camera sits right here, but I'm using it right now. Down below my desk, it's a bit messy. in these boxes back here, I keep all of my sticker paper, label paper, some craft paper, just every type of paper that I print with. I keep in these boxes. I have my camera box. In this basket right here, I have a lot of my wholesale items. So all of my buttons and my sticky notes I keep in this basket, so I can easily grab them and package them. My camera bag, and then in this organizer, it's actually pretty empty. I haven't decided what to put in there yet. I should probably put that to use. And then down here, it's pretty embarrassing. I'm 23 years old and I have a ton of stuffed animals. I used to have a bed here and they used to sit on my bed, but I don't have the bed anymore, so they just have kind of found their home down here. It's a little messy looking, but I don't want to pack them away because I'm too sentimental, so they just kind of lay down right there. And then I have this armoire. My husband keeps some extra clothes down here, and inside of this I keep a lot of my books. So I'll go into that in another video maybe if you want to see like a bookshelf tour. And then up top of my armoire I have my wedding bouquet from our wedding, a picture of my husband and I, and then that's also from our wedding, and then just some other decorations to make it look pretty. This is an overview of my desk. It's very messy. To me, it looks very cluttered and just unorganized, even though it is organized. So in this basket right here, I have a lot of daily products like business cards, freebie cards, sticky notes, my monthly calendar. Just a lot of that stuff gets collected in there. This is my iMac that I work on every day. This is like my bulletin board. This is some pretty inspirational stuff. Down here I keep all of my washi tape. In here is just office supplies. It's pretty messy. It's not very pretty looking, but it gets the job done. And then down here is my silhouette machine. Over here I have like tax documents and medical bills and just boring life stuff, as well as some extra business cards. And then down here are just old craft supplies and extra office supplies that I rarely need to get into. So yeah, I don't really want to go too in depth over this area, only because it's not even that great looking. It's just kind of run-of-the-mill office type of area that doesn't look that great, so I don't really want to go too in depth and bore you. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video on this tour of my work/studio space. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos soon, as I have a bunch of stuff planned and lined up. Vlogs will be coming back soon. I've just been really busy, haven't been able to vlog. And I also am thinking about uploading soon on my other YouTube channel where I upload a lot of like Disney related stuff. So I'll have that link down below if you're interested in Disney vlogs at all. But yeah, other than that, I hope you all have a wonderful week, and thank you for watching.